Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like your money just disappears into thin air? Or maybe you're tired of seeing your money like slipping through your fingers and living paycheck to paycheck. You're not alone. Today, we're going to break down how to start organizing your personal finances, and no, you don't need to be a math genius or financial expert, and yes, we want to make you feel way more confident about your financial future. I remember when I first started getting serious about my finances. I was overwhelmed, confused, and honestly, a bit scared. But what I discovered was that taking control of your money isn't about complex strategies or fancy tools, it's about understanding the basics and building good habits. So, let's dive in and transform your financial life together. First things first, let's talk about your income. This is the foundation of your financial plan. And I mean all of your income. Many people focus only on their main salary, but there's often more to the story. Start by listing every single source of money coming in. Your regular paycheck, after taxes. Side hustles or freelance work. Investment returns. Rental income. Any regular gifts or support from family. Any regular rebate from your taxes. Tip: create or use a spreadsheet or phone's notes app to track the money you receive for a full month. You might be surprised. Seeing the big picture will show you exactly how much you make each month and will allow you to plan realistically. Now for the part many people dread, looking at where your money goes. We know, recognizing your expenses might be upsetting, but trust me, this is where the magic starts. Here's how to make it painless. Start with fixed expenses, those that you probably could not run away from. Housing, rent or mortgage. Utilities, electricity, water, gas. Insurance payments. Car payments. Phone and internet bills. Streaming services and subscriptions. Then track your variable expenses. Groceries. Transportation, public transit, ride-sharing, gas, parking. Personal care. Entertainment. Shopping. Dining out. Deliveries. Here's a game-changing tip. Use your banking app to categorize your spending and you'll start identifying patterns that might shock you. Did I really spend those $200 on whatever last month? No judgment, but awareness is the first step to change. You can start analyzing and maybe finding areas you could cut back on, like that subscription you haven't used in months. This is where small tweaks can have an impact. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Debt. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or personal loans, debt is something most of us deal with at some point in our lives. Recognizing and managing debt is a good way to get back on track financially. Here's how to tackle it. First step, list all your debts. Write down the total amount. Note the interest rate for each. Record minimum monthly payments. Second step, choose your strategy. Some of the most popular methods are the avalanche to pay off highest interest debt first or the snowball to pay off smallest debts first for quick wins. We will chat more about this in an oncoming video. Remember, minimum payments are just that, minimum. Try to start making regular payments above the minimum whenever possible, and avoid new debt cutting back on unnecessary spending. Now for the fun part, planning for your future. But let's keep it real. You should still live your life and keep doing your thing, one step at a time, but starting to walk is key. Now, how to set achievable financial goals. Short-term goals, 3 to 12 months. Building an emergency fund. Experts say you better save 3 to 6 months of your expenses in case the life brings a wave you were not expecting. Paying off a specific debt, for example a credit card. Saving for a major purchase or maybe for a trip on your vacation. Medium-term goals, 1 to 5 years. Paying off bigger debts, like student loans. Start investing. Sooner is better to give your money time to grow. You can just push a little money at the beginning. Saving for long-term projects, like a down payment to buy a house or a base to start your own business. Long-term goals, more than 5 years. Keep growing your investment portfolio. We will dive deeper into this soon. Start planning and setting your retirement savings. Maybe children's education will be another good place to put some money on. Remember, it's okay if your goals evolve over time. Life happens, and flexibility is key to staying consistent. A really decisive point is to make your goals smart. Specific, not just save more money, but save the number you choose per month. Measurable, track your progress. Achievable, be realistic, small wins keep you motivated and on track. Relevant, all of this needs to make sense to you and be aligned with your values. Time-bound, set deadlines. Now it's your turn. Grab a notebook or download an app in your phone, and here's what you can start doing right after watching this video. 1. Download your bank statements from the last 3 months. 2. Create or use an income and expense tracker. Your bank's app may be a good one to start. 3. Set 3 financial goals for the year. Remember, organizing your finances isn't about perfection, it is not a race, it's about progress. Give that first step, start small, be consistent, be realistic, and celebrate your wins along the way. Patience and discipline will help you make significant changes. Financial freedom isn't built overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. If you found this helpful, it will be nice to read your comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical financial tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.